yourself.
Remember, ready, steady, go. You just saw ready, now watch our steady. You have to be very steady when using the fire hose. Mummy's ready, steady, go! Mummy dog fixes the hose to the fire engine. Mummy pony rolls out the hose. And Mummy pig points the squirty end at the target. Turn the water on! Water on! Steady, Mummy! Steady! The target is hit and the fire is out! Hooray!
That looks fun.
It's hard work, Daddy Pig.
Is it really?
Yes! Just feel how heavy this fire hose is.
Oh, yes. That is heavy.
And that's
I'm just recording for a new video on my channel.
Like that.
I'm recording this installation process.
It is not easy to hold a fire.
What? Has it got sound in it?
What's hard work?
My camera does pick up sound.
Yes.
And how do we get super fit? On the fire station obstacle course.
I mean, if it picks up Peppa Pig, then I don't know what to do from there.
Running through this keeps us fit and healthy.
What are you doing with... That's my phone.
Keep going. We've shown our ready and our steady. Now let's practice our go.
Go, go, go!
Ready? Go!
You're funny, Nano.
First obstacle
Yes.
is the inconvenient wall. Go! Go! Next is the confusing crawling tube. Where am I? Here I am. Go, Mummy, go! Genuine upsets.
There we go.
Through the tricky tippy toe tires. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up the sloping rope walk. And down the yippee zip wire.
Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional is booting up.
Mummy, are you alright? I'm fine, Peppa. Actually, this mud is quite nice. Stay there, Mummy.
Everyone likes fire stations.
It's my OS, lads.
When there are muddy puddles to jump in.
And this is...
Buried treasure.
Money Mole and Freddy Fox.
This is Windows 2000 Service Pack 4.
I'm not very good at digging. I am. What's this?
Money Mole is good at digging.
Wow, Molly's digging a long tunnel. Oh, I found something. What is it? Wow, it's a pirate treasure chest. I wonder how it got there. It's a mystery. We better tell my daddy.
Joey, stop trying to pinch me.
Where did this hole come from?
Daddy, Daddy, we found some pirate treasure at the end of our tunnel.
Treasure? How did it get there?
We don't know. It's a mystery.
Maybe we should call the police. They'll know what to do. This is the police station.
Hello, police station.
Hello, it's Daddy Pig here. We found some pirate treasure.
Pirate treasure, you say? We'll be right there. Hello, hello, hello.
That is how the police say hello.
Hello, hello, hello. I want to be a policeman when I grow up.
Good lad.
So, where's this pirate treasure then? Under the ground. We were just digging this tunnel when suddenly we found this.
Yes, yes, yes. That
treasure, all right.
It's just like the pirate treasure we had back at the police station.
Let's take this back and put it with the other one.
Oh dear, Police Officer Panda is dropping coins along the way.
Right, back to the police station.
Can we have the Nina, please?
Why not?
This way to the lost property. Down here is where we keep all the lost things.
Wow! Umbrellas, shoes, a lamppost.
This one still thinks it's a bloody...
Oh,
It
that's
still
not
thinks
lost
it's an
treasure.
evaluation
Keep
copy.
the pirate treasure.
Wow.
Oh, it's gone.
That's strange.
Another mystery. Hello. There's a hole in the wall.
And a tunnel.
Someone has dug a hole and taken our treasure chest down the tunnel.
A criminal
Completely off
mastermind.
topic, but alright.
I wanted to where it goes. Look, there are coins on the floor. A trail.
Let's follow the trail. We'll soon find out who took our treasure.
We're outside my house.
And the trail of coins ends.
Now we'll never know who took the treasure from the police station.
It's a mystery.
I know who took it.
Who?
We did.
Eh?
Follow me. This is the hole we dug this morning.
Yes.
It goes all the way back to the police station. We didn't know it was the police station, but this is where we found the treasure.
So you found the pirate treasure that was in our lost property cupboard.
Stop.
Yes.
Mystery solved. Well done, Freddy.
That was excellent police work.
Moving along.
I do believe you'll make a very good police officer one day. Just remember to keep your
I'm
ears
just
and
hoping she
eyes
doesn't
open.
fucking come tomorrow.
Hoping who?
That lamppost there.
Karen?
Not to say
No,
place for a
no,
lamppost. I'll make a note.
A different one?
Construction
Karen
in
doesn't
workplace
want anything more to do
environment.
with me.
Huh.
You see, children, a police officer's
But
work is
that's
never
alright.
done.
And the
What a
mystery
different
of the
one's
pirate
coming
treasure
down.
is solved.
Oh yeah, she's a real... Get rid of everything.
I don't want to know who. Focus, stupid camera. Told you my camera is not that good, Nana.
Take a recorder each.
I'll eat after this installs.
On the recorder, you blow it like this. But that is not music, Peppa. That is a horrible squeaky noise. To make music, we must play in a...
Ah!
Not horrible? Yes, very. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Lovely. You see, all music is made of notes.
Not sponsored.
We just play the notes in the right order. That looks easy. No, do it like this. No, like this. Stop. That's not music at all. No, that was a horrible noise. Why was that? We weren't playing the right notes and they weren't in the right order. So let us begin by learning the first note.
I have to hit my phone a couple of times
We'll get
just to make the camera focus.
This is the next note in our tune.
God, this has been going on for 9 minutes already.
It is home time. The parents have come to pick up the children.
And remember, practice, practice, practice.
Ah!
Oh, somebody is learning how to play.
Joey, stop.
Yes, Madam Gazelle said I have to practice.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Will you help me? Of course something will help you. While I do some work in another room.
Susie is practicing too.
Yes, that's it.
Very good, gang. Shall we call that a day?
No, Madam Gazelle said I have to keep on trying until I get it right.
Pepper and her friends have been practicing their recorders all week. They're giving a concert for the parents.
Welcome to our concert. Ready, children?
Bravo! Bravo! Oh,
Stupid camera.
What's the matter now?
No, it's just my camera's trying to not focus on me.
A very good experience for them.
it's hard to think it was only for a week of our lives, and now it's over.
Children, for our next concert, I want you to learn this tune. Hooray! Home! And practice.
Pepper loves the recorder. Everyone loves the
Joey,
recorder.
stop.
The perfect day.
Pepper and her family are going to the shopping centre today.
That's a big shop. It's not one shop, Pepper. It's lots of shops, all under the same roof. Wow!
And we're not shopping today.
Not shopping at the shops?
No, Mummy's here for a perfect day experience.
This is Miss Rabbit's spa.
Hello, Mummy Pig. Are you ready for your perfect day experience?
Yes, I think so. But what exactly is it?
Oh, lots of lovely things. You can have a massage. Have your fingernails painted. Or have
Finish. Okay, good
That all
boy.
sounds lovely. Do we have to do
Good boy.
Not sponsored.
No, Pepper, we can go and find our own perfect day.
Goody. Bye, Mummy. See you later. Where are we going to find our perfect day, Daddy?
I don't know. It's just shops and shops and...
Ooh, magic moving stairs.
That, Pepper, is an escalator.
Can we go on it?
Yes, hold my hand. Here is Susie Sheep.
It's Susie.
Stop.
Hello, Peppa. Where are you
Where
going?
is
We're
Mummy?
going to the top. Where are you going? We're going to the bottom.
Pepper has reached the top.
Come on, I want to get to the desktop
Susie! I've come to find you, Peppa.
so I can end this bloody video. Hey.
Pepper and George are back at the bottom, but Susie is at the top.
I think that's enough escalators for now.
But I need Susie!
Then we can use the lift.
I need to find Peppa. Then let's take the lift. It's not working. Someone else is using it. We just have to wait. But I need to find
What's this cord to?
That's a network. I think it's a network cable.
Do you think?